Picture this. A staggering 4.5 billion people make money online, and that number is growing every single day. We're living in an era where the digital economy is booming, creating an array of opportunities for everyone. From digital nomads to stay-at-home parents, the ability to earn from anywhere is not just a dream, but a reality. This is the digital gold rush of our time, where the internet is the new frontier. So, are you ready to join this digital gold rush? Meet Emily. She used to work in a traditional 9-to-5 job, but now she's a successful freelance writer. Emily was once confined to her cubicle, her creativity stifled by the rigid structure of her office job. But she yearned for something more, a chance to express herself, to set her own hours, to live life on her terms. So she took the plunge into the world of freelance writing. It wasn't easy at first, but Emily was determined. She honed her skills, built her portfolio, and soon, she started to see the fruits of her labor. Clients from around the globe sought her expertise, and Emily found herself not just earning a living, but thriving in a career she was passionate about. Now, Emily enjoys the freedom of working from anywhere, the joy of setting her own schedule, and the satisfaction of doing what she loves. Emily's story is a testament to the power of the digital economy. She transformed her life, and so can you. Now, let's talk about James. He's an e-commerce entrepreneur who started his business from his bedroom. In the beginning, James was just like any of us, with an idea and a dream. He didn't have a fancy office, just his laptop and an internet connection. But he had a vision of creating an online store that would cater to a specific niche. James began by researching his market diligently, identifying the products that were in demand, but not readily available. After sourcing his products, he built his online store. It wasn't easy, and there were many late nights, but his persistence paid off. Over time, James's e-commerce store grew. His products were unique, and his customer service was impeccable. He wasn't just selling products, he was creating a brand. His store became a go-to place for his target market, and he was able to turn his bedroom startup into a successful e-commerce business. James's journey is proof that with the right mindset and dedication, the digital world is your oyster. Meet Sarah. She's an affiliate marketer, making a living by promoting products she loves and earning a commission for every sale she makes. Sarah stumbled upon affiliate marketing when she was searching for ways to monetize her passion for wellness and fitness. She realized she could earn a steady income by promoting the products she was already using and recommending to her friends. The process seemed simple enough. She just had to choose the right products, sign up for their affiliate program, and then promote these products on her blog and social media channels. Each time someone made a purchase using her unique affiliate link, she earned a commission. Sarah took the time to understand her audience, their needs, and their pain points. She promoted products that she genuinely believed in and that resonated with her audience. This authenticity and dedication to providing value to her audience were key to her success. Today, Sarah has turned her passion into a profitable business, and affiliate marketing provides her with a steady income stream. She has the freedom to work from anywhere, and she gets to share her love for wellness and fitness with her audience. Sarah's journey is a testament to the power of affiliate marketing. If done right, it can be a lucrative business model in the digital economy. Meet Alex. He's an AI entrepreneur using artificial intelligence to generate income. Alex was always fascinated by technology and its potential to change the world. He saw the rise of AI and realized its potential to revolutionize industries. Alex decided to delve into this world, learning about machine learning, neural networks, and AI algorithms. He faced many challenges, but the satisfaction of solving complex problems kept him going. He started creating AI solutions, from chatbots that enhanced customer service to predictive models that help businesses make informed decisions. Alex's journey wasn't easy. He had to constantly learn, adapt, and innovate. But his perseverance paid off. Today, Alex has successfully leveraged AI to create profitable solutions. His AI models are used by businesses worldwide, helping them streamline operations, increase efficiency, and make data-driven decisions. Alex's journey is a testament to the power of AI in the digital economy. With the right skills and mindset, AI can be a game changer in your online business. It's not just about coding or technical skills. It's about understanding the potential of AI, its impact on the digital economy, and how it can be leveraged to create value. Alex's story is an inspiration to anyone looking to explore the world of AI entrepreneurship. You've heard their stories. Now, it's time to start your journey. Picture this: you leveraging the power of the internet to create a life of flexibility and freedom. A life where you're not tied to a specific location or a 9-to-5 schedule. The digital economy offers this and much more. Consider the vast online platforms at your disposal. Freelance marketplaces where your skills can meet global demand. E-commerce platforms where you can sell products without the need for a physical store. Social media platforms where you can monetize your creativity and influence. Imagine the benefits: the freedom to work from anywhere, the flexibility to set your own hours, the potential for a high income that breaks the traditional ceilings of salaried jobs, the chance to be your own boss, to choose your projects, to shape your career. The digital economy is not a trend, it's the future, and the future is now. The digital economy is waiting for you. The question is, are you ready to seize the opportunity? Picture this: a world where geographical boundaries no longer limit your potential. A world where your skills, ideas, and passion can translate into a thriving online business. This is the digital economy, a vast, ever-expanding universe, teeming with opportunities for the taking. We've glimpsed the journeys of a freelance writer and an e-commerce entrepreneur, both of whom have harnessed the power of the digital economy to create their own success stories. They dared to dream, dared to step into the unknown, and today they are reaping the rewards of their courage. But they are not outliers. They are not exceptions. They are simply people who saw the potential of the digital economy and chose to embrace it. They are people like you. The digital economy is not a far-off future. It is here, it is now, and it is waiting for you. It's waiting for your skills, your ideas, your passion. It's waiting for you to take the first step. This is your call to action. This is your invitation to join the ranks of the digital nomads, the online entrepreneurs, the dreamers, and the doers. This is your chance to tap into the limitless potential of the digital economy and carve out your own path to success. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your online success is action. So, what are you waiting for? If you're excited about your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe for more prosperous perspectives.